Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base faucet website. You can claim your free torrent from that website. First of all, go to deposit, copy your torrent wallet address from deposit, come down, and this is your torrent wallet address. Click it, copy it, and after copying the website link available in description, come in this website. Then the website name is claim clicks. Just click claim in here, okay, and put your username, enter your faucetpay username, or you can put your wallet address. That's great. Just solve this captcha. Okay, first of all, each captcha is a seaplane, and just I click the seaplane, and that's it. And solve this captcha is a 6957, and just click get reward. Okay, in here show you a error for this wallet address, and just I put my email address of the faucetpay. Just click claim. In here showing me a error. In here you can see this is my username. I put my username to see what will be happen. Okay, my username is 90, and just I click get reward, and okay, you can see this website send you your satoshi with your username. I don't know, this new trick maybe. I go to my user, my faucetpay, go to user dashboard and come down. In here you can see the website name is claim clicks TRX, pay me my satoshi with my username. That's wonderful. Okay, every 3 minutes you can come back and claim again. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.